Imagine a time before interstates. Cars were a novelty, and the idea of driving long distances was almost unimaginable. The year is 1913. The world is on the brink of change. A bold idea emerges, one that would become America's first coast-to-coast highway, connecting the vast expanse of the United States. Let's learn more from the pages of Byways magazine. This was the dream of Carl Fisher, an Indianapolis businessman with a vision for the future. He envisioned a continuous improved highway from New York City to San Francisco, a route that would span the entire country. Thus, the Lincoln Highway was born, marking the beginning of a new era in American transportation. The Lincoln Highway wasn't just a road, it was a symbol of progress and unity, bringing people together from coast to coast. It was named after Abraham Lincoln, who had envisioned a transcontinental railroad, a dream that now extended to highways. The highway would connect Americans like never before, fostering a sense of national unity and adventure. It would open up the country to exploration and adventure, allowing people to see parts of America they had only dreamed of. Building the Lincoln Highway was a massive undertaking, requiring immense effort and coordination. It involved paving thousands of miles of dirt roads, transforming them into a reliable and continuous route. Local communities, businesses, and even school children contributed to this monumental project. Everyone wanted to be a part of this national project, seeing it as a step towards a brighter future. The Lincoln Highway officially opened in 1913, a landmark moment in American history. It was a momentous occasion, celebrated with parades and festivities across the nation. Americans could finally drive across their country, experiencing the diverse landscapes and cultures firsthand. It was the start of a new era of travel and exploration, forever changing the way people experience the United States. The Lincoln Highway revolutionized travel in America, transforming the way people moved across the country. It made long-distance travel possible for ordinary people, opening up new opportunities for exploration and adventure. Before the highway, only the wealthy could afford cross-country trips, limiting such experiences to a privileged few. The Lincoln Highway democratized travel, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their social status. The highway also spurred the growth of the automobile industry, leading to innovations in car manufacturing and design. The demand for cars skyrocketed as more people sought the freedom of the open road. New businesses sprang up along the route, gas stations, motels, and diners, catering to the needs of travelers. This created jobs and boosted the economy, providing livelihoods for countless Americans. The Lincoln Highway also had a profound impact on American culture, shaping the way people experienced the country. It fostered a sense of national identity, bringing together people from diverse backgrounds. It connected people from different parts of the country, bridging regional divides and fostering unity, and it sparked a love affair with the open road that continues to this day, inspiring generations of road trips and adventures. The highway's influence can still be felt today, as it laid the groundwork for the modern road network. Many sections of the original route are now part of the U.S. highway system, preserving its legacy. But more importantly, the Lincoln Highway left behind a legacy of adventure, exploration, and the freedom of the open road, a spirit that endures in the hearts of travelers everywhere. The Lincoln Highway winds its way through the heart of America, stretching from coast to coast. It passes through bustling cities and charming towns, each with its own unique character and story to tell. Each stop offers a glimpse into the country's diverse landscape and culture, from the urban jungles to the serene countryside. New York City is the eastern terminus of the Lincoln Highway, a city that epitomizes the American dream. This vibrant metropolis needs no introduction, with its towering skyscrapers and iconic landmarks. It's a city that never sleeps, with world-class museums, theaters, and restaurants that cater to every taste and interest. Chicago is another iconic city on the route, known for its rich history and cultural significance. Known as the Windy City, Chicago is a hub of architecture, blues music, and deep dish pizza, offering a unique blend of experiences. Omaha, Nebraska is a must-see stop on the Lincoln Highway, offering a mix of modernity and history. This city on the Missouri River played a key role in westward expansion, making it a significant historical landmark. Visit the Old Market for shops, restaurants, and historical sites where the past meets the present. Salt Lake City, Utah is a city of stunning natural beauty, surrounded by majestic mountains. It's a great base for outdoor adventures, from hiking to skiing. Don't miss Temple Square, the the spiritual center of the Mormon Church, a place of peace and reflection. San Francisco, California, is the western terminus of the Lincoln Highway, a city known for its eclectic culture and scenic beauty. This city by the bay is known for its iconic Golden Gate Bridge, cable cars, and sourdough bread, making it a must-visit destination. Roadside treasures. Beyond the bustling cities, the Lincoln Highway is dotted with fascinating attractions. These roadside treasures offer a glimpse into America's past and present. In Pennsylvania, visit the Gettysburg National Military Park. Stunning alpine lake. A taste of Americana. No road trip is complete without indulging in local cuisine. The Lincoln Highway offers a smorgasbord of regional specialties. In New York, grab a slice of New York-style pizza. This thin crust pizza is a local favorite. In Chicago, sink your teeth into a Chicago hot dog. This culinary creation is topped with mustard, relish, onions, tomatoes, pickles, sport peppers, and celery salt. In Omaha, try a Reuben sandwich. This grilled sandwich features corned beef, sauerkraut, Swiss cheese, and Russian dressing on rye bread. In Salt Lake City, sample some fry sauce. This Utah staple is a mixture of ketchup, mayonnaise, and other seasonings. In San Francisco, enjoy a bowl of cioppino. This Italian-American fish stew is a San Francisco classic. Experiencing the Lincoln Highway today. While the Lincoln Highway is no longer the primary route across the country, it still exists. You can still drive most of the original route, now designated as Lincoln Highway Heritage Byway. The best way to experience the Lincoln Highway is to take your time. Don't rush. Soak up the history and the scenery. Stop at roadside attractions. Chat with locals. You can find historic markers, museums, and preserved sections of the original road. There are numerous websites and guidebooks dedicated to the Lincoln Highway. Plan your route, find accommodations, and discover hidden gems along the way. Rediscovering America, why the Lincoln Highway beckons today. In today's fast-paced world, the Lincoln Highway offers a chance to slow down. It's an opportunity to reconnect with America's past, to experience the freedom of the open road, and to create your own adventure. Traveling the Lincoln Highway is like stepping back in time. You'll encounter remnants of a bygone era, vintage gas stations, old motels, and diners with jukeboxes. It's a chance to escape the interstates and discover the back roads of America. You'll find hidden treasures and meet interesting people along the way. Most importantly, the Lincoln Highway is a reminder that the journey is just as important as the destination. So grab a map and hit the road. Adventure awaits on the Lincoln Highway. We are adding new videos every week featuring the destinations along the highways and byways of North America. Give us a like and take a moment to subscribe and help support the Byways channel. Thanks for watching.